Name is God's Will, and today I just want to talk about HMI tags. And if you look at my screen right now, you're going to see a tank filling cycle, and there's a tank level, there's a water reservoir, there's a water pump, inlet valve, there's a tank itself. These black lines, they represent the pipes, and this light blue space you have here just shows the water level. Then there's a discharge valve which goes to the water tanker. So we are just doing this to basically illustrate how HMI tags can be used, to teach beginners, just purely educational, to explain industrial concepts without actually needing a PLC, to do this. And then, you could also design this and simulate your mock-ups before you actually deploy this. So for your information, there's no PLC connected, there's no ladder logic, there is no logic that has been downloaded to the PLC. This is just purely from the HMI. So I'm going to test this display, and as you see here, tank is empty, tank is full, discharge ongoing. This simulates an indicator that will show when the tank is full, when the tank is empty, and when a discharge is ongoing. So everything we are going to be doing right now is going to be manual, but let me use the word semi-manual. But just for you to get the idea of how you could write a logic and then import your tags into an HMI to visualize your process. So without further ado, let's step in to see our test display. So in our test display, the other indicators have disappeared and the tank level is at 0. So in the initial process, ideally you need to start the pump, the inlet valve will open and water will start filling the tank. So let's do that. The pump is started, the inlet valve is open, and then the water is filling into the tank. So I'm going to fill to 25, to 50, to 75, and to 100, and you're going to see tank is full. If you look at here, you're going to see the tank level is at 100%. This here simulates a LED display. So in the real world, after your tank is full, you have to stop the pump and close the valve. So this does that, and then we have to discharge this water. We have to send this water to a water tanker through a discharge valve. So we're going to do that by opening the valve, and then we are going to start decreasing the water quantity in the tank. And as you see, once that is complete, it tells you the tank is empty. And then you close the discharge valve, and then you can repeat the process again. So this is just a sample video, just to show an interface where you can control the valve states, where you can display tank levels, and also trigger animations and all of those stuff. So let's connect if you're passionate about industrial automation and PLC programming, but you just love teaching and simplifying complex systems, just like what I'm doing. So really appreciate you could drop your comments and let's just share ideas. Thank you.